So you're about to close on your new home. Exciting, right? But before you grab the keys and start planning where the couch goes, there's one last step you do not want to skip: the final walkthrough. Think of it like your last line of defense, or like checking the bag at the drive-thru to make sure you didn't get someone else's order, because nobody wants cold fries or a house with surprise problems. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need to walk through again? I already saw the house. Yes, yes, you do. And here's why. Reason number one: making sure repairs were done. If the seller agreed to fix things during the inspection, this is your chance to double check. That leaky sink, it should be fixed. That broken window, replaced. Sometimes sellers do it right, and sometimes they do it Home Depot on a Saturday style. The final walkthrough is when you find out which one you're getting. Reason number two: making sure the house is still in the same condition when you made the offer. The fridge was there, the stove was there, the blinds were hanging. Fast forward a few weeks, and sometimes, poof, things disappear. I've seen missing appliances, swapped out light fixtures, and even furniture dragged across the floor, leaving scratches. The final walkthrough makes sure that what you're buying is still what you signed up for. Reason number three: catching any last minute surprises. And oh yes, surprises happen. Ever walked into a garage full of old paint cans, or a shed stuffed with mystery boxes, or, true story, a very alive cat left behind? The final walkthrough is when you catch that kind of thing before it becomes a problem. So here's the bottom line. Your final walkthrough is not just a formality. It's your chance to make sure the home you're about to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on is move-in ready and exactly as promised. Do it 3 to 5 days before closing, and you'll sleep a whole lot better the night before you get those keys. Don't let surprises trip you up at closing. Let's dance through your home buying process step by step. Message me, Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker, today, and let's get you moving into your next home. Thanks for watching.